Hi everyone, this is Madison Taylor here. I had actually just realized that I never fully showed you my newest beaded bags that I picked up. So I love beaded bags. I think they really make an outfit. They're not super expensive to buy. They're really unique. And people stop me all the time and ask me, where did you get that bag? So I thought I'd just kind of go one by one and tell you what I like and dislike about each bag, maybe a little bit more detail. And if you ever see these again in the store, definitely go ahead and pick one up. But again, I'll go one by one and just show you some of my latest beaded bags I clicked up. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the video. First bag over here, I call it my mermaid bag, and I think it goes really well with the dress I have on. I know with this camera angle it may be a little bit hard to see, but the colors just really go well. It's again my mermaid bag, if you would, but it's really unique. It just has the shoulder strap over here. The hand strap over here. There's no shoulder strap. The one thing I really do like about it is probably the color scheme. So you can kind of come in a little bit closer and see it's got these blue and green beads. These are actually little florals on it. You can tell a little bit closer, and it is in fact beaded all over. I just usually, when I keep these bags, I just fill them with tissue paper that they come in to keep their shape. But I think it's just a really cute accessory that you can wear. And again, people would stop me and be like, oh my God, where did you get that bag? So with this one in particular, it just has this little beaded handle over here. Somewhat it is a challenge to open because it's not like the functionality of the shoulder strap. And it has this zipper pouch. It's filled with tissue paper, but you can kind of go ahead and see it in further detail over here. But what I like to do with these bags, honestly, is just wear a really casual outfit and then pair it to dress them up. Like if you have jeans or a t-shirt, look how nice that looks with just any bag. It doesn't cost $1 million. This was like 40 bucks at TJ Maxx. I think most of these are under $40 or $50 at TJ Maxx or Marshalls. And you can really get and gather some unique bags. But this is the first one I want to show you guys. And look at this shoulder strap. I just love this bag. It's super cute and colorful. But this is the mermaid one. My next beaded bag over here is probably one that you can get the most versatile use out of. You can really dress this up or down, but it is this black and silver beaded bag. It does have a little top handle over here if you want to wear it just like this. It's got the beading, same thing all the way around with the silver, and it does come with the beading on the bottom as well. But this one is probably the most unique one out of the bunch in that it actually has a shoulder strap. So I'll just take this out over here so you can kind of take a look. Again, I stuff these with tissue paper just to hold the shape of the bag, even when I'm not using them like this, but I'll come a little closer so you can see. But it's just got a nice interior. There's nothing super special about these interiors. Usually they're just satin lined, and then you go ahead and just shove whatever you need there. So again, you can wear this as a nice little strap like this or a shoulder strap. You're probably not gonna be able to see it too well, but I'll come over here and kind of take a look. I like shoulder straps because I don't like carrying a lot of things, but in cases like this, because I don't want to ruin the bag and the beads, I usually just tend to carry them as like a top handle bag so I can watch them and be careful the beads aren't going to hit anything or they're not going to fall off the bag. But again, a lot of versatility with this bag. I think black is always a safe choice. And again, most of these I purchased at Marshalls. They're like under $50, maybe $30 or $40, but definitely if you see this bag, I really think it's a great option for your collection. My next bag over here is definitely, again, I always say they're my favorites, but this one really is. I really like that it is a shoulder strap and you can wear it with a ton of different outfits in multiple different ways. It is a black beaded bag with just these floral embellished details. You can really, I'll come up a little bit closer so you can see the front, the back, and it's got this little tassel for details, even the bottom. I always hate when bags, I'll be honest, they only are beading on one side or the bottom doesn't have beading. I think it looks cheap, but this really is a super cute bag that you can wear anywhere. And same thing, a lot of these bags have this tassel details. I put tissue paper in here, and then you can go in and just see. It's definitely got a little bit of room, not a ton, but this is a great way that you could style these. So again, just like this, I would wear it. Super cute, maybe a black outfit, all black outfit just for a nice pop of color, but I really think this helps dress up any single outfit with a nice beaded bag. This next bag I actually picked up for my birthday last year, but one thing that really drew it to me was the colors. I just love this green in there. I think that's really neat. It's almost like a mint green. This one in particular does not have a shoulder strap. It is just a handle, and it's got, again, tissue paper in here. I'll be honest, this one does not fit a lot, so this is more like a special occasion bag. Maybe if you're going to dinner and only need to take a few things, but it's got the really cool fringe detail, and you would wear it simply just like this on your shoulder. Again, it mainly fits like your phone, a small wallet, and a couple, maybe a lip gloss or something. It doesn't fit my car keys. I have to give them to someone else to hold. But this is what the bag looks like. And on the bottom, it has the beads, and then it's just this kind of satin material so you can actually set it down and it doesn't get ruined. I've never had a problem, I'll be honest, with my bags with the beading coming off. I know that's a concern a lot of times with these beaded bags. You just have to be really careful. Don't like throw it around, or I wouldn't say these are like an everyday bag. You definitely want to save these maybe more for an activity that you know you're not going to be like rummaging through everything, just to save the integrity of the bags. But this is the front of the bag, that's the back. I mean, it just beads all over and it looks super cute on. My last bag over here, I know it's not a beaded bag in a sense, but it is a crystal kind of beaded bag. I've actually seen these all over and they're super big for the holidays. And I'll be honest with you, I saw this exact bag at Anthropologie for like $100. I picked this up at Marshall's. It was probably 30 bucks. So you don't have to, again, spend a lot of money at the same time to really get the effect. I really like dressing this up, especially if it's a more like a nice dinner or something. I think it really adds a nice effect, but you could see the crystals and the sparkles. I think it definitely makes it look more expensive than it is. And again, this bag, I've worn this a few times. I've never had a problem with the crystals coming off. Never. This is the front, you know, it's just the nice strap right here. This one I did not, I took out the tissue paper to get the full effect, but you can see it's just got the nice satin pouch on the inside. And it did come in multiple colors, not just the green. It came like a nice black, white as a classic, yellow, red. So it's a great holiday outfit. But again, you can really dress this up or down, and just the nice crystals on it really make it super unique for a nice bag. That was actually it for the handbags that I'm going to be showing you today. I continue to grow my collection of beaded bags, but I'd really like to hear from you guys. What's your favorite one? What do you guys like? Tell me a little bit more about your experience, which ones you want to see next, and definitely leave a comment down below. Thank you guys again for watching. We will see you in the next one. Take care now.